Hi, children. Do you remember going to the jungles of Brazil? And we met. What did we meet? A snake, right? What else? A parrot and a monkey. And the scary one? A lion. That's right. But South America is very big, and there are lots of animals that live there. Some of these animals you've never seen before. Today, we will play a game, okay? So you must listen carefully in this game. You will see an animal and you will hear the sound, okay? But you must remember, because after we will do a game with these animals, okay? All right, here we go. This is a sloth and it makes this sound. The Toko Toucan goes like this. A howler monkey. Ooh, so pretty. A red-eyed tree frog. Ooh, a green anaconda. This is a caiman. It's like an alligator. A giant anteater. An Amazon river dolphin. Ooh, it's pink. Wow, those were some cool animals, huh? And the sounds were strange. What was your favorite? Mine was the sloth. My favorite was the sloth. Okay, now it's time for our game. So let's see if you were listening. Now you will hear a sound and you have to choose which animal the sound belongs to, okay? All right, here we go. Which animal makes this sound? Which animal makes that sound? Green anaconda. Now listen for the next sound. What is it? Giant anteater. Good job. Okay, the next sound. I wonder what that could be. A howler monkey. Good job. All right, here comes the next sound. Okay, think carefully. Which animal is it? The red-eyed tree frog. Excellent. that one's interesting. Which animal is it? The sloth. How cute. Look at him. Okay, next sound. All right, take a guess. The Amazon River dolphin. Good work. That one was a bit scary. Which animal is it? The caiman. Okay, here comes our last sound. Which one is our last animal? The tokotoucan. Good job. Did you like the game? Did you listen? Good job. Now, let's draw a picture of the animal we liked the most. So my favorite, do you remember? My favorite was the sloth. So I drew a picture of a sloth. First, I used pencil in case I made a mistake, so I could erase it. And then I repassed with colored pencils. You can use crayons or even watercolors if you have some watercolors at home, whatever you like. All right, have fun drawing. Bye.